It's a video lecture on power system analysis, subtopic swing equation. So we are going to see definition of the swing equation. So the swing equation describes the angular difference between the rotor axis and the synchronously rotating stator imaginary axis. And this equation reveals the stability of the system machine connected to the infinite bus. So infinite bus nothing but those buses having constant voltage and constant frequency called as infinite system. Now we are going to see the derivation for the swing equation for single machine infinite bus system. So the equation here written mechanical acceleration equation. So acceleration nothing but moment of inertia and rate of change of angular displacement mechanical angle twice the rate of change of mechanical angle with respect to time, that is acceleration. It is equal to acceleration torque, and acceleration nothing but difference between the mechanical torque and the electrical torque. So at steady state when both torque becomes equal and there will be no acceleration of the rotor, that is there is no swinging of the rotor, there is no oscillation in the rotor with respect to the infinite bus. Suppose when mechanical power is more than the electrical power, it's become acceleration, it produces oscillation. Suppose the mechanical power is less than electrical power, it becomes deceleration. So acceleration causes increase the speed of the rotor, and deceleration causes the increase the speed of reduce the speed of the rotor. And now we are going to see the angle mechanical angle nothing but angular velocity into time and rotor angle. So we are taking differentiation, it gives with respect to time, it gives omega m plus dou del m by dt. So this is gives a velocity of the rotor. And now for getting acceleration we are taking once again different differentiation. D square we got d square theta m dt square equal to d square del m by dt square. So now you are substituting the previous equation d square theta m by dt square, you got j omega d square del m by dt square, which is equal to, so this is nothing but electrical power, accelerating power, which is equal to difference of mechanical power and electrical power. And now we are going to see j omega, we substitute j omega equal to m, capital M. So this is moment of inertia. So d square theta m by dt square equal to accelerating power, which is equal to pm minus p. And to this now you substituting the value for m, it is nothing but 2s by 2 omega d square del m by dt square. So m equal to here 2s by omega into s max. So here s nothing but power rating, apparent power. So we are going to express the swing equation by in per unit. So we divided by the maximum power. So Ts by omega m d square del m by dt square equal to accelerating power divided by total power, that is maximum power, and which is equal to pm minus p divided by maximum power, right? And now the next line shows 2es by omega d square del theta square equal to pa, which is equal to pm minus p in per unit. So omega equal to 2 pi f, we are substituting. So you got h equal to 2 pi f d square del by dt square is equal to accelerating power which is equal to pm minus p. So this equation called as swing equation. So here this data gives how the rotor gets oscillated with respect to stator axis, imaginary axis, synchronously rotating flux, and that axis between a rotor, this equation called as swing equation. So when you want to know d square, here the rate of change of rotor angle, you can know it by, which is equal to change in omega, frequency, angular velocity of the rotor. So you can draw you can draw the swing curve between changes, noting d del by dt and change in omega. And this swing equation for multi-machine system, machine S max, I think machine rating base and system base. So inertia constant h divided by pi f d square del by dt square, d square del by dt square, which is equal to accelerated which is equal to pm minus p in per unit. For multi-machine you can calculate by this equation. Here h max equal to s max machine and divided by s extent. So previously we discussed about single machine connected to infinite base, what will be happen, how the rotor gets rotated, you can know. That swing equation is nothing but a non-linear differential equation, and by that equation you can draw swing curve. So it is a curve drawn between rotor angle and time. When the rate of change of d del by dt equal to 0 na stable, there is no oscillation in the rotor, swinging of the rotor. But when d del by dt greater than 0, the curve shows what you keep on increasing, so unstable, leads to unstable of the rotor. So the solution for the swing equation can done by Ranji-Gupta method, and fourth order you can run by modified Euler's method. That is by that you can find the solution for the oscillatory nature, right? Thank you to all.